One, two, three. Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yesterday, the altcoins were pumping. Its alt season has begun. So according to my 560 days from the halving on April 2024, 20th of April, we have around 60 days remaining till the end of the bull market, or even less, 50 days. And this should be the most violent of the bull market, so the strongest move. So we're gonna jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and look over the market. My goal is to sell altcoins and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum at that final massive pump, which I think happens in the next 2 months, according to the 560-day rule of the halving in the 4-year Bitcoin cycle. I don't think Bitcoin is going to drop much like other cycles, but I think we're close to that very strong movements. Let's jump in technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you have questions, let me know down below. And also, I'm heavy in Tesla, Google, Nvidia, and Bitcoin and altcoins, what you're going to see now. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account pumping 907 this week from 920 down to 888, back to 899, now 907. So down about 13 from the high of the week at 920. I bought more Uniswap yesterday. I added Uniswap at $9.50. You can see where I bought Uniswap. Weird. At $9.50, and before I also bought Uniswap at also $9.50. My Bitcoin trade is $27,000 in profits. Yesterday we're at close local. Last night we hit 117,884. Looks like a double top on the 15-minute, right? At 17,800. On the 30-minute, still climbing. Hour still climbing. 2 hours still climbing. You can see where I was buying Bitcoin at 107k. 6 hours. So we're going to jump into the technicals. Funding fee has gone positive. $27,000 profit on this trade. I paid $1,900 in fees. Made $27,000 in profits. Ethereum, $15,000 in profits. I was mainly buying at 4,200. It's amazing to say these numbers now. I used to say like 420 with Ethereum. Now it's 4,200, which is amazing. We've made a lot of progress in the years of these videos. Congratulations anyone who's been following me since 2020 on these videos. It's been now almost more than 5 years, and now Bitcoin and Ethereum are much higher. So congratulations to all of you. Let's go into the technicals. Yesterday, Nvidia was up 3.4%. The rest of the market reset or was flat. Bitcoin 117, almost 118,000. Let's go on to the weekly chart. On the weekly, you can see that we're forming kind of a rising triangle, which could be a very bullish pattern for Bitcoin, and the final pump to 143k. The resistance was 124k. That was the previous high. On the weekly, stochastic is still heading up from oversold. So this could be the final pump till that 560 days after the halving. The crypto guru bot is still a blue buy, which it fired back in 2023 at 20k, still a blue buy now. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell at 124k and didn't yet fire a buy. On the daily, stochastic is now overbought, double top on the overbought. V-shaped recovery on Bitcoin, which is a very bullish sign. We had a V-shaped recovery. Good to see, very strong it means. The resistance is at 119,000. You can see this area, I would say even here, 120,000 is a strong resistance. On the daily, we're still heading up, but overbought now. On the 4-hourly, heading up, but also overbought. Still turning up. Do I see any major pattern here? Is the question. We've got a trend line here. Not seeing any major pattern. Kind of rising wedge forming, but a little bit, not really. On Bitcoin, the place that I would take a trade is from the 200 moving average. So safest place probably to take a trade would be 100 from the 200 moving 113,500, stop loss 112,500, and take profit 124 would be one of the targets. Risk to reward is 12 times $922 to make 11,400. 10x leverage would be $114,000 of profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. And now we're trying to look for topping signals for those last 60 days of the bull market or less. On Ethereum, on the 4 hourly, we have a symmetrical triangle playing out. Builds pressure, breaks out the base of the triangle. On the daily, we're still heading up, bull flagging, symmetrical triangle, so it's like a bullish pennant, I would even say. Pole and pennant, bullish pennant, which is good to see. Target of this would be, one of the targets would be 5,600, and the bigger overall target, 7,800, where I would take a trade off the monthly support. So from here, taking a trade, tight stop loss, take profit, I would take it all the way to the bigger target. Risk toward 24 times, I would make tight 24 times, risking $141 of Ethereum per Ethereum to make 3,400, 10x leverage 34,000. Opens the trade at 4,300, stop loss 4,250, take profit 7,800. Those are the two trades I would take on Ethereum, which is beautiful. Nvidia was up 3.4% yesterday on the news that they're buying what's that company? Intel. They invested $5 billion in Intel, and we got a huge bounce of 169. Still looks like a huge bull flag on the daily. You can still see here, it looks like a massive bull flag. Pole and flag is forming. And that, if that moves the distance of the pole, we would get a huge movement. Safest buy would be at 153. That's turning into a major support, which is beautiful. My trades are now pumping. Congratulations to anyone who saw those trades a few months ago. All the links are down below under the video. 60k bonus with Bybit. If you've been getting liquidated or having high fees, Bybit is the best exchange. They have low fees, great liquidity, second biggest exchange in the world. WeX is KYC free, worldwide exchange. So if you have any limitations, WeX is the best. Take the Telegram link, it's free to join there, and take the courses to learn all of this and all those charts. In the Telegram, there's 185 of you online. Nvidia is investing $5 billion into Intel. Thank you, Jasper. That's exactly what I was trying to. People discussing, sharing charts, join the community. There's 800 at night times. And get the Telegram International Premium version so you can translate all the languages automatically. There's a lot of different languages in there, which is beautiful. My WeX trades also 240 profit on Ethereum and 928 on Bitcoin. So my 10k to a million challenge would be a bit higher now, which is beautiful. And yesterday, 10 of 10, only 1,700 views on this video. YouTube not getting that much reach for some reason. Thanks for the TA, James. Love and respect. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Your predictions. Thanks, Update. Have a nice day. You're welcome. You showed how to keep buying in uncertainty. Thanks, Guru. Blessings. You're welcome. And over on X, we have 110,200 followers. In one day, I'm going to pick the iPhone giveaway, the iPhone winner in one day. We'll pick a winner in 7 days, and it's 1 day left. We got 500 likes on my post, iPhone Air giveaway. So go and join that competition. There's already 270 people have signed up, and I'm going to pick a winner tomorrow in the video. Also, now I'm going to pick the winner for $200 I'm going to pick a winner of $200 from, where is it? I bought 30k uni. You can see I posted about it. BNB hit $1,000. If you guys remember, I was talking about that in 2021 about BNB going for eventually be $1,000, and we hit it yesterday, like 4 years later, which is amazing. And now I'm going to pick the winner. YouTube didn't yet unban these channels, so I'm going to keep pushing it. Still didn't unban them, but I'm going to pick a winner in tonight's video. So make sure you go and do that, do this and try and tag YouTube. Already 200 and something people. I'm going to pick a winner for $200 there's 299 of you. Maybe I just do it right now. Likes. But they didn't. Okay, I'll pick it tonight because already the video, I'm going to pick a winner for $200, and tomorrow I'm going to pick the iPhone air winner, which is going to be beautiful. Go and join those. So 1 day left for both of those. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you make money from me, hire social media marketers to push messages of peace, anti-war, protect the trees and the nature. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. I'm going to pick a winner for $200 in tonight's video for that YouTube competition. Go join that. And I'm going to pick the iPhone Air winner tomorrow's video, which is going to be amazing. It looks like I'm going to get my iPhone Air tomorrow as well, which I love. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Stay blessed. We're so lucky living on the beach, making amazing videos, making huge gains. Look at these. This is like people's wages. Some people make this in a year, you know, and we made this in like 3 weeks of trades or 2 weeks of trades, which is amazing. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.